joined for us today by the chief pilot of the Vulcan XH558, that's Martin Withers. And if you think that name frankly familiar, it could be because he was the man who flew 30 years ago this year. He flew a Vulcan to the Falkland Islands and took 21 1,000-pound bombs down there to drop on the runway at Port Stanley. So that's the longest bombing raid in history it was then. For that he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, and his crew was mentioned in dispatches. And that arguably changed the course of the war in the Falkland Islands. So the first black buck, it was called then, happened 30 years ago this year. And it was flown by the man who's flying the Vulcan for us today. Alongside him, his co-pilot is Bill Ramsey, full-time reservist with the RAF, and the third man in the crew, Air Electronics Officer, in the back there, the man who runs the systems of the electric bomber, rather similar to an air engineer, that's Phil Davies. So as they come back towards us, it's not going to be long before we hear those 4 Olympus engines, 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus engines making a lot of noise. Now you would have seen with the tornado that the reheat came on and you could see the jets lighting up at the back. Vulcan doesn't have reheat, and she is subsonic, unlike the tornado. In fact, not long after she first flew at a Bournemouth Airshow, the great test pilot Roland Falk did actually roll this aircraft all the way around, but she's not allowed to do it all that many times. She's had to say, we're not allowed to do it now. In fact, Martin Withers was heard to say to one younger pilot, you can roll this Vulcan, but not with me in. So it's been an amazing story. She left the Royal Air Force Service in 1993. And at that stage she was enormously popular. This was the last aircraft in service, and she was doing displays, and everybody thought that was it. We're never going to see a Vulcan again. But look, the bomb doors are open there. You see that enormous weapons bay inside. That's the weapons bay that carried those 21 1,000 pounds. That's it would take a 10-ton load all the way down to the Falkland Islands. And the round trip was as far as from here to Santiago in Chile. And it required the services to get her down there of no less than 11 air refuelling tankers. And they very nearly missed their last rendezvous on the way back. And one of the people on board, the air refuelling expert, was heard to say, I've never seen a Vulcan fly to this fuel and that. But they did. As Martin Withers brings her round back in front of us again, I think we'll see that bomb bay closing. There have been many people who are members of the Vulcan to the Sky Club, which is the great supporters club, the biggest supporters club in the world, we think, for an aircraft, have their names on the inside of the bomb bay there. And I think you probably could get that done to yourself, but more about that later. £64,000 of static thrust from those 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus engines. Same engines as Concorde, or a Concorde had reheat in them. And in fact this aircraft is an antecedent of Concorde. We have a piece of paper drawn in 1946 by the great Roy Chadwick, who designed this aircraft, which is recognisably this aircraft. That's only 5 years after the Lancaster King, he also designed that. But if you stretch it a bit, you get recognisable as Concorde. That's how far serious he was. She can sit there around where she wants to. She's about the size of a, she doesn't think you might think, she's about the size of an Airbus A318, a smallish airliner, almost exactly. If you swap the wingspan and length measurements around, you get the same thing. And you can see trailing behind her the unburnt fuel, which tends not to get used with fairly low power settings, but as soon as Martin opens the bottles again.